Hi, my name's James Taylor. I'm with John Wayne's electrical department, and today we're going to go over the maintenance and tune-ups on our generator systems. What these systems are designed for is to provide power for your home completely automatically if there's ever a power outage. So if power goes out, this generator is going to automatically start. You're going to transfer over to generator power, and then when utility returns, it'll shut down and you'll be back on your utility provider's power. So when we come out, as you can see, the units do sit for about a year in between, so they get pretty dirty. So the first thing we're gonna do is try to clean out all of the dirt inside of it, make it look the way that it should. Keeps dirt out of the engine. So now we're gonna go ahead and just blow everything out of it, vacuum it, wipe it down really good, and clean the whole unit. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna change the spark plugs. There's 2 of them on most units. Your bigger units can have 4 or 6, but we need to make sure we change out the spark plugs. We wanna do that before the engine is hot so that we aren't burning our fingers on the spark plugs. After that, we'll start the unit for a minute, let it run, let it warm up so the oil drains faster. It's got an easy drain hose, and then we'll put a new oil filter on. Then at the very end, we'll go ahead and change the air filter and then wipe everything down one more time. All right, my name's James, and if you have an existing generator and need maintenance or interested in a new generator, give us a call or visit us at johnwayne.com.